Hello, my name is Grace Cuddy with Instructional Solutions, and today we're going to talk a little bit about AI writing tools like ChatGPT. These tools can be fantastic allies and great time-saving tools, but we have to know how to use them effectively, or else we oftentimes end up with a piece of writing that is very bloated and misses the mark. So let me show you an example. So in this first example, I have input a fairly general prompt asking ChatGPT to create an email for me denying an employee's PTO request and missing a deadline, and he needs to get it done before taking that time off. So, okay, I put in a little bit of information about what I need and who the reader is. And what I got back is fine, but it's on the bloated side. It's very indirect. There's a lot of passive voice. It's too long and pretty much misses the mark, right? We don't need to go into this lengthy explanation of the importance of deadlines or the importance of taking time off. Your reader presumably knows all of that. Now, if we use a little bit more of our human critical thinking and employ elements of the writing process that we teach, we know that we would need to input something a little bit more specific and detailed. So in this second version, I've included more information about the communication purpose, some analysis of my target reader, and I've also outlined the key sections that I want this message to include. I have much more control over the content. And what I ended up with was something much stronger. It's fairly to the point. I would still eliminate this first sentence. AI generated writing tends to be bloated. However, right from there, we get into answering the question, a very succinct, clear explanation of why the no. I incorporated this tone of sounding authoritative, but not mean or punitive. And I gave my reader a much easier to understand, easier to absorb, and human-sounding response. So this is an example of, again, using your human discernment, using your critical thinking, and also integrating elements of the writing process so that you really know how to harness these tools for your benefit.